Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious, aromatic Desi Ghee right in your own kitchen. It's a simple process requiring just a few basic items. You'll need about 1 pound of good quality unsalted butter, a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot, and a fine mesh strainer or some cheesecloth. That's it. Making your own ghee is incredibly rewarding and yields a product far superior to store-bought versions. To begin, cut your butter into smaller cubes. This helps it melt more quickly and uniformly. Place the butter in your heavy-bottomed pot over a medium-low heat. As it melts, you'll notice a frothy foam appearing on the surface. This is completely normal. Once all the butter has melted, reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. You'll continue cooking it for about 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the magic to happen. As the butter simmers, the initial foam will gradually subside, revealing a beautiful, clear, golden liquid. The milk solids will separate and begin to sink to the bottom of the pot. Keep a close eye on these solids. They will start to turn a lovely light golden brown. This is the crucial stage. Once you detect a distinct, nutty aroma, it's time to turn off the heat to prevent burning and achieve that perfect flavor. After turning off the heat, let your freshly made ghee cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, carefully pour the warm, golden liquid through your fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean, dry, airtight glass jar. This removes the browned milk solids, leaving you with pure ghee. You can store this liquid gold at room temperature for several months, or in the refrigerator for up to 1 year, ready to enhance your cooking with its rich, nutty flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.